Hello. My name is Susan. I want you to imagine a world where customer service is not just efficient, but truly personalized. Today, we're diving into the future with custom-trained AI for customer service. Stay tuned to uncover the game-changing technology that's reshaping how businesses connect with their customers. We've all been there, stuck in a never-ending support queue or struggling to find the right answers. But what if there was a solution that could revolutionize this experience? Introducing custom-trained AI, designed to understand your unique business needs. It learns, adapts, and delivers exceptional support 24/7. Here's the game changer: this AI doesn't just follow a script. It's been tailored specifically for your industry, your products, and your customers. It's like they know exactly what I need every single time. No more generic responses, it feels like a real conversation. This AI evolves with your business. It learns from every interaction, continuously improving its accuracy and effectiveness. And the best part? It complements your human agents, making them supercharged problem solvers. The results speak for themselves. Businesses using custom-trained AI have seen a remarkable boost in customer satisfaction and loyalty. Ready to unlock the future of customer service? Contact us today to see how custom-trained AI can transform your business.